My name is Jessica Kirsh. I do computer repair on the side to make extra money to pay towards my student loan debt. And it's really helpful to have the right tools. First thing I would fix with my IFIXIT toolkit. One MacBook Pro, one 15-inch MacBook Pro style A1286. Two MacBook Pros, one to part out and sell for parts on eBay. One 2010, one 2008. Remove SSD, keep the SSD, part out the rest. So one 2012 MacBook Pro, two 2008, 2010 MacBook Pros. One Magic Mouse, not the second revision, this is the first Mighty Mouse Magic Mouse. Would be fixed with the iFixit toolkit. Another thing I would fix with the iFixit Pro Kit. One iPhone 5 with the cracked screen and water damage to refurb and resell on eBay. Another thing I'd fix with the iFixit Pro Toolkit. One iPhone 7 Plus that has water damage and nothing else. I would fix it with the iFixit Pro Kit Toolkit, as well as an ultrasonic cleaning device machine. And I would refurb everything. There would be no water damage or corrosion left on the logic board because the Pro Toolkit would be so great. I could refurb and sell this iPhone 7 on eBay or OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. I hope you're liking this song. Don't mind the cat in the background. That's Stella. Hi, Stella. I live in a zoo. This is my iBook from 2005, my very first computer as a college student. The final thing I'd fix with my iFixit toolkit, one Drobo 5N. Yes, the Drobo 5N is stupid heavy, but that's okay. It houses 10 terabytes of very important data, but it needs to be sped up, or it can't be sped up, so I can refurb it and sell it on eBay. Every dollar I make from selling these components goes toward my student debt so I can live without debt. So that toolkit would be really helpful. I could really use it, and I would appreciate you voting for me.